everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but whatever time is it for you, I hope you're having a good day and welcome. And welcome back to the vlog. I'm still very sorry. But anyways, today is 10th of May and it's a Monday. It's an amazing day because you haven't read by the title. My sister is coming back after 3 months. Anyways, 3 months is a lot, and she's coming after 3 months back from UK, and I'm so excited and pumped to meet her. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I'm currently attending my which period is this?
Nice.
I'm currently attending my fourth class, my fourth period, and I'm gonna quickly wrap it up. So my sister is coming today and I'm vlogging. I'm gonna take you guys along and it's really gonna be fun. It's marketing class going on. So I have 2 more classes. No, I have 1 class more to attend. Our classes are usually till 12:30. You guys don't need to know. I don't know why I'm explaining everything. But anyway, I hope you guys will stick around with me and let's get on into the vlog. So this is my setup of whenever I have online classes on. I have this table, I have my books on and my laptop in front of me, and yeah. She's currently taking our attendance and it's my turn to say present. Present, teacher. Okay. So I gave my attendance and now I'm gonna attend my marketing class and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, I'm done and now I have to leave the class. I left the class. So now I'm going to attend my 10-mark multiple choice question exam of marketing. I just finished my business class and I'm going to attend that and I'll be right back to you guys. Hi everyone, so I completed my test. It was amazing. It was the 10-mark MCQ marketing test and I finished that at like 1 o'clock and now it's currently 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm gonna have lunch. 30 minutes I just browsed on TikTok and I literally forgot that I had to vlog. So yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, so actually my mom's calling me for lunch because it's lunchtime, so she served me lunch and we're gonna have that now. And after that I'm gonna film my TikTok. I'm gonna explain what TikTok is that and then you'll get to know. Yeah, I'm addicted to it and it's really bad, but anyways, and my mom are gonna go to the supermarket near us because we need to get groceries, and later I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I had lunch and I'm gonna put a video over here or something, maybe just to explain. It's like, the days counting, it goes on and on. TikTok on the clock, don't stop, remind. I'm sorry you had to hear that. I suck at singing, but anyways, so it's that TikTok. I've been counting days until my sisters come, so every day I just film a TikTok and a part of it. So today I'm gonna film a few hours more one. So yeah, I'm gonna film a TikTok. Okay, so I completed finishing my TikTok and I'm happy with how that turned out. I'm really excited to finish the whole part after my sister arrives. And now I and my mom will go to Nesto, which is a supermarket over here. We're gonna go and get some groceries. I literally don't have the energy of changing and wearing jeans right now, so I'm gonna wear my burqa, which is this one. I'm gonna wear that and go to Nesto, and that's how I get ready. I have my burqa on and I'm gonna take my mask and I'm gonna head off the house and take you guys along. Let's go. So I'm gonna get cornflakes. Oh, the lighting is really bad here. Okay, so I'm gonna get cornflakes. I usually have this Kellogg's cornflakes, and the Kellogg's cornflakes is not there. I usually have the Kellogg's one in strawberries and stuff, but that is not there. That's why I hate this Nest over here, because they don't have the cornflakes I need, and I hate that. I really hate that. Tip number 1, shopping tip number 1, never come to any supermarket or hypermarket with your stomach filled. I just had my lunch and I'm seeing everything and I'm not having any. I'm not in the mood of buying anything, especially the cookies or something. And there's this burger in Nesto that you get, which is amazing and so yummy. And I don't feel like getting it. Otherwise, I always get it. But my stomach is filled now, and I don't feel like buying it, which sucks.
3.3. All delivers are contactless.
Yeah, they know we're gonna order tomorrow. Anyways, hi guys. Hi, Ma. Wait. I am back home from Nesto, and I kept there were like a lot of items and not too heavy ones, so it was really hard to pack back then. That's why I just kept it off. But anyways, we are home right now, and it's currently 3:30, and 3 more hours for my sister to arrive. Now I don't know what do I do because I'm really bored. I guess I'm gonna clean my room because it's really messy and my sister hates mess. Even though when she comes she will create a mess. But anyways, I have to keep the clean room. I have to keep the clean room. What? I have to keep the room clean. And I'm gonna do that.
You're not going to school, no, that's why.
I'm sorry, Mama. Okay, anyways, I have to keep the room clean. And after that, I'll keep updating you guys. I just finished cleaning the room, and the room is, yeah, I mean, it looks good. It looks clean enough. So now I am bored, and usually I have assignments, but since today my sister is coming, I don't have any assignments to do. So but I have a little of notes to complete, but I'm not in a mood at all to do any of that. So I thought, why not get ready and film some TikToks and pass off the time, because there are amazing TikTok songs that have come and I need to film them. So also, if you're on TikTok and you're not following me, then you're doing some mistake, girl or guy. Follow me on TikTok. I'll put my TikTok ID in the description box or somewhere around the screen over here, so you can search me out and follow me. I post content all the time and I'm very active on TikTok. And now I'm gonna get ready. Okay, so I got ready. This is my look. I went for like an orange wing and stuff thing and a dark lipstick, and I curled my hair a little, which was a massive fail, so I'm not gonna do that again. But anyways, I am gonna change. I'm gonna film some TikToks. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see them, because I can't post them here because they get copyrighted because of the music. So I'm gonna film and I'll be right back. Okay, I quickly quickly changed. I wore this crop top from Forever 21, and then I added this chain, which is actually a layered one, which is from Stradivarius, I guess. I don't remember. And then my rings are from Centerpoint, and then Dragon City. They're all the Dragon City. So now I'm gonna continue and film some TikToks.
Much later.
Okay, so after a lot of TikToks, this is where we have come. It's currently 6:22. My sister landed. She called my mom, and I'm getting ready because my dad is also late, and we still did not leave the house. Anyway, she has to do the COVID test and stuff, and there are all the things to do. So I'm wearing my pants right now because I am rushing, as I took a lot of time making my TikToks. It was a bad idea of doing it today. But anyways, I'm wearing my pants, and then I don't know if I'm going like this or I'm removing the makeup, but I'll keep you guys updated.
Run.
Okay, I know I look scary right now. Oh, brightness. I'm removing my makeup. Actually, I'm removing only my eye makeup, and my dad hasn't come yet. Wait. So basically, my dad hasn't come yet, so I'm removing just my eye makeup because that's a lot, and I'm gonna fix that. Okay, so we head out. I look crazy. I got a water bottle and a banana because I'm thirsty, and we're running late because my sister might already have finished, maybe. Okay, and now we head out to the airport. This is the new airport. Our airport looks so beautiful. When will we get to travel? Oh god. Come over here and I'm like literally near the gate, but I can't see my sister at all. But this is how it looks. It's so pretty. The arrivals. I love this. This is looking like a mall. Literally like a mall. Oh my god, there she is. She's coming. There she is. Oh my god, there she is. I'm sorry, I'm screaming a lot. We reached back. Yeah, it was just the airport. Anyways, oh, it's over here. It's over here. Okay, and now I guess I'm gonna film the TikTok over here because I don't want to reach home and film it. So I don't know. We filmed the TikTok, and it turned out amazing. I said if the music is not copyrighted, I'll put it right now. But if it is, I'll put it without the music, so you guys will have the idea of what music is it. And now we're heading. We are opening the suit. Okay. She packed it really messy. So we are opening the suitcases and I'll be back with what all things are for me actually, okay? I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna show it to you guys once I get all my stuff. These are all the stuffs I got. I got a lot of stuffs which I will definitely show. And I'm really excited to open all of those. Okay, so it's haul time and I'm gonna show you the things that my sister got for me. First off, we are gonna go fast because I don't want to explain each and everything. So my sister got these sandals. It's not basically for me. Like we are gonna share it, but she got this. She hasn't worn it yet. So it's like a summer sandal with like you have this string and you can like tie it and it's really cool. She bought like a lot of nails. There are many more actually. She got fake nails. We love fake nails. And these, it's a very beautiful color. Then she got these. These are actually the ballerina ones. This is almond shape. I know what's almond shape ones. So shirt for my mom, which is amazing. It's giving that beach vibes. It's a very pretty shirt. I hope you can see. It has like collar and all, and this is from Primark. And my sister got bell-bottom jeans. I am so excited. She got for my mom and for me. So this is the blue one, bell-bottom jeans for my mom. I put a picture up here. And then my sister got these nail polishes. I know we love the fake nails, but then these nail polishes are so cute. It's like these 4 colors, which is so beautiful. Stranger Things, baby! Okay, I'm so excited for this, especially for the episode 4. Especially for the season 4. We got a snippet the other day ago. If you haven't watched it, then you have to watch Stranger Things. Then I have this cute bucket hat she got for me. So I have one in white, then one in black. And I love this. Bell-bottom jeans. This is also from Primark. And I am excited for this. Then she got this cute summer dress, which is all this roses and stuff, and has shoulder pads, which is a kind of trend now, and it looks so structured. I got this is not bell bottom actually. This is the baggy jeans are there. Sorry, straight legs. Yeah, the baggy jeans. I'll put up a picture. It's that jeans, and I'm excited for this. This is not in black, but then this is in the faded black one. And then from Shein itself, I got phone covers. I'm the 12 Pro Max one. This is I need money, not boys. Amazing sentence. It's the shut up, I'm not listening. Oh, this was not expected, but thanks to my cousin sister Matisha for sending these amazing Nike shoes. I loved them and I did not have in the black one. So I'm excited. And then my mom got these shoes for her, which is the white. These are running shoes, and she had in black but not in white, so she got the white one. From Puma, my dad got this cricket shoes. I was about to say running shoes. Cricket shoes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all we got from UK. And I love them. So yeah. And now I am gonna change, clean up this all stuffs, and I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm doing a voiceover for this as I did speak in the video, but because of the AC was on and the fan, you couldn't hear me well. So my sister slept off because it was too late since she arrived from the airport and she was tired. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching the video and hope you guys loved it. And I promise to be consistent in my uploads. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.